Come test drive this 2020 Jeep Renegade. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.